Yeah, so this will be a quick demonstration of what llama.c++ is able to do on Linux with a ROCm system. So basically what I'm using currently is the Ryzen 7 7800X3D alongside R. If I open up ROCm info, you'll be able to see that I am using the 7900 XT right here. And what you can do now is you've got your llama C++ and you've got your models. So I'm just going to try the llama 7 billion. So what we are going to do is have this hip visible devices equals 0. So it recognizes we want to use the GPU as the ROCm device, and then we are going to choose the model, which is in our models folder, the llama 7 billion, and let's just say we want to use the Q4KS, and we want the instruction mode. Hold up, of course we want to also offload the GPU layers, so we're going to do that, and you'll be able to see once it has successfully loaded that it offloaded 33 layers to the GPU. So now we can ask, what are you able to help me with? Direction for further reading, this doesn't look too good. Tell me a joke. Looks way better. So I'm not quite sure like how it performs. If we check our models again with the different models, but we could try the open Hermes model. Oh Christ. Yep, seems like it's working. What can you help me with? And it is pretty fast. Tell me a joke. Tell me comprehensive. So you can really play around with these models and have quick responses. Let's see what else we could try. We could try the Solar model, or the let's try the Solar one, or the llama 7 billion chat, if I am able to correctly spell. What are you? I'm a programmer. Tell me about programming. Oh, it's super fast, as you can see. It is absolutely mind-blowing that you can just use this on your gamer GPU PC. So where is Germany located? Tell me about the history of Europe. It's just mind-blowing. Oh yeah, so yep. Okay, I wanted to know about the history of Europe, whatever. Alright, let's see what else we could try. So what I definitely do recommend, if you use big models such as Dolphin, do not offload too many layers to the GPU. Otherwise it will not be a good thing for you, as I've already had to see while trying it. But still, it is very mind-blowing what you're able to do. So you'll be able to see that this takes way longer to load because it's the big model, the Dolphin model with Dolphin Mixtro 8x7B mixture of experts. So we've got 56 million parameters, and this will take quite a bit. But tell me a joke. As you can see, and maybe even here, like the GPU is getting definitely more into the working process. So that might take a while to generate. sometimes it's been way faster, I guess. It's been better like if I used it a couple of times, but it's definitely slower compared to the two small models. So you might try to increase the play around with the number of GPU layers that are being offloaded, but that performance is definitely not the performance you seek. So definitely might have to play around with that. But overall, you can see that like the performance is pretty cool. So let us try the solar model as well, and then I will say a couple of things about it. That looks way better. Told me a joke. So you can see like we didn't offload all the GPU layers this time, so there's 25 currently offloaded, and we could offload even more. So yeah, definitely play around a bit with that. So you can like, there was 44 layers, I think, 49. So we could just try 35 and say tell me a joke. Then you can see like the performance gain, like it definitely gets faster like each time you increase the number of GPU layers. But yeah, so what I wanted to tell you about like the overall thing. So basically what you can do, let me just resize that real quick, is check the GitHub repository from, or like rather for llama C++, which is llama.cpp. Able to see the GitHub repository of llama C++, and you find all the installation instructions over there. Basically you just use the make install command, which another thing that is important, you have to use this option to use if you want to use ROCm, at least, since this video is like demonstrating the ROCm performance, or at least that it works. And what I definitely do recommend is to check out Hugging Face, because you'll be able to find all kinds of models there, and we want to use GGIF models, and you'll be able to try lots of cool models over there, which you can just really download. And yeah, it's kind of a mixture of everything. You can even find like uncensored models without any alignment, or like rather with alignment moved, for example by Eric Hartford. And yeah, it's super interesting overall. If you've got any questions, definitely drop them in the comments, and hope you enjoyed the video.